Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Trader Joe's Bool Kogi. First, ensure your Bool Kogi is fully thawed. This usually takes several hours in the refrigerator or about 30 minutes in cold water. You will also need a large nonstick pan or a baking sheet with parchment paper, depending on your preferred cooking method. Having your sides ready before you begin cooking the meat will ensure everything is served hot and fresh. The most common and quickest way to prepare Bool Kogi is by pan frying it on your stovetop. First, heat about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a large non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Once the pan is hot, add the thawed Bool Kogi in a single layer, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Cook it for 4 to 6 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the meat is fully browned and cooked through, giving it a delicious caramelization. For a less hands-on approach, you can also oven roast your Bool Kogi, which works wonderfully for larger batches. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Spread the thawed Bool Kogi in an even layer on the prepared sheet. Roast it for about 12 to 15 minutes, flipping the meat once halfway through until it is beautifully browned and thoroughly cooked. Trader Joe's Bool Kogi is incredibly versatile and pairs well with many side dishes. A classic choice is to serve it over a bed of fluffy steamed white or brown rice, which soaks up all the delicious sauce. For a burst of flavor and texture, consider adding a side of spicy kimchi or a fresh green salad with a light sesame ginger dressing. You can also mix in some quick sautéed vegetables like bell peppers or onions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.